So we don't mind if Liam leaves. We saw this already. We spoke as leaders. Ons het hom lank al gesien kom. If Liam wants war with PA, he should continue with what he's continuing with. We'll make social media for him very uncomfortable. He sal niks post op die social media. Ons sal ons hele attention be direct. But we don't want to do that. So, bam by yourself, Massacant. Bam by yourself. That's number 1. Don't come here with the thing. You know nothing about the PA. We'd never trusted you in the PA, let me tell you. Nobody trusted you in the PA. No one. No one. No one trusted you in the PA.
If you have never seen a grown man that just got dumped by his newly married wife, then you definitely have to watch this video till the end. My name is Nick, and welcome to News 23. Please click the like button right now. Subscribe while I explain to you how did we end up here. Gayton McKenzie sends a very shocking, intimidating message telling Liam Jacobs to keep the Patriotic Alliance's name out of his mouth or keep quiet. The PA, in fact, Gayton McKenzie himself, claimed that Jacobs had been weaponized by the DA against the party over the past 3 years. According to McKenzie, Jacobs had been deployed to the Parliamentary Portfolio Committee on Sport, Arts, and Culture with the intention of undermining the PA and discrediting its efforts. Gayton McKenzie further alleged that DA Federal Executive Chairperson Helen Zille had worked tirelessly to exclude the PA from the Government of National Unity, GNU. The PA president also slammed and says he is aware of the DA's strategy of using prominent colored leaders to curb the party's growth, adding that the DA is becoming uncomfortable and concerned about the growing support the PA is receiving from colored voters. The party accused the DA of benefiting politically from colored communities while failing to provide adequate representation in return.
And when Liam didn't work the ground. When we were working, he went to Rwanda, never worked the ground with us. So we could see he's on his way out. So we knew. So yesterday when I was speaking about the man, about him, that one can leave, but 100 comes in. He's never understood. PA is not a middle class, upper middle class party. We are on the ground. We are the lowest LSM, the lowest people that has no incomes vote for the PA. The people with no money, people with no opportunities, people with nothing. He cannot speak to them, and he's never spoken to them. We've tried to move him around, I'm telling you. But it doesn't take away that he's a very talented young man. Doesn't take away. I had to think, it doesn't take away from it. Even him, when we spoke about Cheslin, like, I don't know how he took the fact that Cheslin came in. Because I think he once told me they have a little bit of beef. But you can see when Cheslin came in, there was a big change in our strategy of thing. And Liam was saying to me, hey, yeah, I think I'm not the right person for the mayoral candidate. He said it to me. And I agreed with him. Because he just couldn't break through. Onze mense. And for me, I could never let Liam go. I found him at Parliament, and I had to put him back there. Because I can't step him in the back like that. He trusted the PA. He came. And I was saying to them, guys, let him go to Parliament. Maybe we can see, but the ground is not for him. Now, the problem with, if you, and I say it respectfully, and don't say I call Liam a dog, because I know this is how you're going to spin it. But I'll make an example. I call myself a grondhond. Ek is a grondhond. But you see, when you have a kennel, when you have a kennel, and you have a dog in that kennel, and you fasten that dog with a chain, and the chain is just 10 meters, or not even 10 meters, 5 meters. If you have a long chain of 5 meters, and you fasten that dog for a very long time, and that dog, every time the dog wants to run, he can't run because then the chain catches him back. And for years, that dog will know this chain is this long, so I can't go further than the chain. But when you unfasten that chain, that dog wouldn't know that he's free. He will not walk free in the yard. He will still stay 5 meters from the kennel. he will still stay 5 meters from the cannon. So we don't mind if Liam leaves. We saw this already. We spoke as leaders. Ons het hom lank al gesien kom. The problem with Liam is that I never put him next to me. Like I put Mbiza. Like I put Mishay. Like I put the SG. Like I put Mary. I never put him next to me. Never. Because I knew, they want to understand me. They want to understand how I operate, how I move. And I saw this thing a long time ago, like, ek kan nie vir hom kort sê sit langs aan my nie. Hy gaan dinge sien, hoor, discuss. I did that with Mbiza. I did that with many leaders in the PA. En sit ek hulle hier langs aan my en sê, kom hier, dis hoe ons werk. This is what we do. This is how we do this thing.
Wat is familie? Hulle stuur net over ons platte bak. Wie is hier verraaier? Ek sal hom nooit uitverkoop nie. Nooit. Salut. Ons Baizadi. Ons Baizadi. Charlie Baizadi kom hier.
A few moments later.
So he did what he did, which I must respect him. A man, let me tell you something, I'm older than 12. If Liam wants war with PA, he should continue with what he's continuing with. We'll make social media for him very uncomfortable. But we don't want to do that. We want to wish him well. He said a month ago, he doesn't like the politics of attacking. Today he's attacking us. This is the man that said he doesn't want politics of attacking. We've never started to attack him. Ons is nie in 'n koma nie. Moenie hom fout maak nie. Hy sal niks post hier op die social media. Ons sal ons hele attention by jou direct. But we don't want to do that. So, bamba yourself, Masekant. Bamba yourself. That's number 1. Moenie the doctors in the DA, your Minister of MEC of Agriculture, forgot what his name is now. You saying to me that man couldn't rise to the top. So you saying to me that we will make you a true Joera, we'll make him deactivate. He does not know us. I'm waiting for one PA word and you'll see he will deactivate. Ons is nie, we don't bother you. Gaan mooi Masekant. But when you start talking about merits, you maak me mal. Because coloreds don't rise in the DA. So you are saying, so we are meritless, we cannot rise because we are colored. Don't come here with the thing. You know nothing about the PA. We never trusted you in the PA, let me tell you. Nobody trusted you in the PA. No one. No one. No one trusted you in the PA. So if you want to go, just go to your party and los ons uit. Ons gaan jou uitlos. We will not talk about you. Now you talk about, 2 weeks ago you tweeted, I'm back. The president of the PA has sent me back to Parliament. I have your tweet. You're tweeting. I'm going back to Parliament. Today, the same president is a dictator. But when you spoke 2 weeks ago, how are you going back? I wasn't a dictator. Let me tell you, Masekant, you see this party. You say there's no structures and stuff like that because you want to copy our structures. And that's how they destroy parties. We are beating your DA. Ons gaan hulle meet in Swartland. Jy moet kom Swartland toe, kom grond toe, Masekant. Jy gaan ons Saizana op die grond in Swartland. You come here, you want to insult us. Since you've made your choice. Go, why are you guys so obsessed with the PA? You've made your choice. Now you come and you say this and this. And when you were appointed by me, you never said I'm a dictator. When we went to go fetch you after they spit you out and told you to shut up, Michalis, George, when you were telling us how racist they are, when you were having lives, how racist they are, when they attacked you, we protected you as the PA. The Patriots protected you. When they were attacking you, after you left, we protected you. We protected you, but here you got deactivate as ons klas met jou op social media. Jy sal niks post hier nie, jy kan nie vir ons sê. So los ons uit, gaan aan, Go on your social media. People will forget about you because we will deal with you on social media if you want to continue talking crap about the PA. PA is not a culture of coconuts. It's true, Divan. Let me tell you something. Ons is grondhonde. Ons is op die grond. Ons is met ons mense. You come and talk like that's cadre deployment. Who's a cadre? Who's a cadre who's a comrade? Who's a cadre here in PA? Show me one person. You're too used to be where colored people don't get jobs. That's your problem. And when you see them start getting jobs, you start talking smack like that. You were given a statement to read. So for me, because I really have a soft spot for you, los die PA se naam. You came to me before you joined the PA, you said, hey man, can this guy stop attacking me? And I told him to stop. These people are very disciplined, but don't play with their party. Join whoever you want to join. If you've joined the DA, gaan daar by die DA. You think, you know, I was telling my son today, I said to him, my boy, that's a master class on how not to make yourself be trusted by people. Social media is already giving you a lot of crap, I saw. You thought this was going to be a big announcement. So I'm asking you nicely, los maar die PA, and don't lie about us. Don't talk about us. We are not perfect. Me, I'm not a perfect person. Let me tell you something about me. When people start saying things about me, I'm like, it's true. It's true. I'm not perfect. I'm the least perfect person. I am the least perfect person. I am. Do you think die wit mense rook koerantpapier? You think hulle gaan so trust? You think they'll ever trust you? You saw what Truther and them said already about you. Sy gaan lelik vasloop, my boy. Los maar die PA uit. Gaan aan met jou werke. Gaan na by die DA. Jy's met hom by die huis. You are there where you want to be. You've made your choice. Out of respect for your father, I'm giving you this warning to say, los die PA se naam uit jou mond uit. We wish you well. You can say all the things you said. You said what you wanted to say. You are now released from us. Send me ask one question. Show us your fruit when you were here by us. Show us your fruit. So every tree must bear fruits. So, Chezabari DA, the same people that was calling you lots of names, they will never make you forget. En hulle gaan jou uitspoeg. En as hulle jou uitspoeg, I'll be there to pick you up for a second time. I want you to know that.
Finally! We are home. We are home. So, the first person that I want to speak on this momentous occasion is the provincial leader of the DA in the Western Cape, Tasha Simmers. What have you got to say? Welkom thuis, Liam. Baie dankie. Kom ons almal maak keuses vir onsself, vir ons familie, vir ons gemeenskap, maar die belangrikste ding is hartbelangrijk vir die pad vorentoe. So kom pad toe. Jy het 'n wyse besluit gemaak. Welkom thuis. Baie dankie.
Come on, brother. Liam, I want to say to you, welcome home, buddy. It is amazing to have you back in the DA. Let me say that it would be absolute hypocrisy of us if we expected no one to ever make a mistake in life. Every one of us was in our 20s once, and that's the point of your 20s, man. You've got to learn, you've got to grow, you've got to figure out who you really are. And I remember when you left the DA, Helen said something profound. She said that we're not going to hate on Liam. He is a talented young man who's made a mistake, and he's going to figure it out. And Helen was, as very often, absolutely right. Because you are a talented young man. You have figured out